In today's video, we are going to show you how to cancel your subscription in Higgsfield. If you sign up to test the platform or just want to stop future billing, we've got you covered. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials and go to the top right corner where you can see the option that says Manage Account. I want you to click on it. Now, from here, I want you to scroll down until you find subscription. And then at the bottom, I want you to scroll down until you find the danger zone. This is where you can manage sensitive account actions, including subscription cancellations. Now, before you click anything, it's important to read the notice carefully. It states that canceling a subscription will result in immediate loss of access to premium features at the end of your current billing period. And this action cannot be undone. It may also result in data loss depending on the platform's policy. So make sure to back up any important data before proceeding. Okay, so in my case, the account is basic plan and the subscription is until March 9, 2027. That means premium access will continue until that date unless stated otherwise by the platform. Now, if you are sure you want to proceed, click the Cancel Subscription. Confirm your decision when prompted. Alright? And click the Continue button. And of course, just wait for the confirmation message or email. And basically, that's it. Your subscription cancellation will be processed. Alright? And basically, that's it for today's video on how to cancel your subscription safely and properly. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.